Hi, M5696. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Melissa Juarez. I am 13 years old. I'm single.
Okay, you are single.
Yeah.
Your religion.
I'm Catholic.
In your highest educational attainment.
I'm an undergrad of hotel and restaurant services.
Okay, you are undergrad of college.
Yeah.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Doha, Qatar, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience in Doha, Qatar is all around taking care of the young children, cooking, ironing, laundering, and cleaning the house.
You are only one helper
Yes.
on the house and also take care of the children which 4, 8, and 10 years
Yes.
old, right? And you're also taking care of 2 cats.
Yes.
And other household chores that you do?
Marketing, and cooking, washing.
Okay, cooking and washing. Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, it's okay to take it off the newborn.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I wash my hands and then wash the bottle, and then I will put it sterilized, and then I will put exactly amount of milk, and then pour it out lukewarm water, and then shake it. Then I will check the temperature of the milk, and then if it's okay, I will give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature of the baby, and then the stomach if it's bloating, and then if it's not, I will check the diaper if she have or he have the poop or need to changing the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you change the diaper, you also feed the baby. Maybe the baby is hungry and you also give a medicine to the baby because maybe it's bloated or have a gas on his stomach. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I need to call his parents, and then maybe the parents need to want to do the baby, so the baby will stop the cry.
To cry. You will ask the parent what you should do.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my brother to finish his study, and then I want to help also my family, and then I want to
To you want to work?
save money for my future.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong like 2 years, and then when my contract is finished, if they want me to work with them again, I will renew until they want me.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract if your
Yeah.
employers want you to extend.
Yeah.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
I will call my employer if they have expectant visitor, and then if the employer said no, I will not let in the people inside the house.
Okay.
And then if they didn't get out the visitor, I will call the police, and then I will tell to the police there is someone in the front of our house.
The house of your employer. Right, that's right thing to do. Do not entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn. If to prepare the Chinese food, I will watch YouTube, or I will buy a cookbook for the Chinese food, and then or
You will.
when my madam and sir are preparing their food, I will watch them, and then until I learn to how to cook the Chinese food.
You'll only watch them, you will not help them?
Of course I will help, and then I will assist them.
Okay, you will assist. You have to assist them if they do something or they were cooking, because if you help them how to prepare Chinese food, you could also learn. Right?
Yeah.
That's the right thing to do. Okay, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or on holiday setup by your
Yes.
employer.
Yes.
Okay. If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, my future please hire me. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and then honest. And then I will promise to you, if you hired me, I will take care of your family, your kids. I will entertain, and then I will love them as my own. And thank you.
Okay.
See you.
Thank you very much, Melissa, Miss Melissa. Thank you.